Hi everyone, welcome back to the series Machine Learning with TensorFlow 2 and Pythonist. In this video, we are going to get a basic understanding of what is TensorFlow, what it offered in the context of machine learning, what's the latest version of the framework, and some other important concepts around TensorFlow. So let's get started. So what is TensorFlow? It is a free and open source platform for high-performance numerical computation, specifically for machine learning and deep learning. It has a flexible architecture and can be deployed across a variety of platforms like CPUs, GPUs, and Google's TPUs, as well as mobile and edge devices. TensorFlow makes it easy to build and deploy machine learning solutions. So this means that it's not a simple framework just to build a machine learning project, but a complete ecosystem that provides tools at each stage of the entire machine learning workflow, from data pre-processing to feature engineering, from model training to model serving, and from data pipelines to model inference. TensorFlow is used in applications such as search engines, text translations, image captioning and interpreting, recommendation systems, and weather forecasting. The most basic concept, which you can call the atomic unit of TensorFlow, is tensors. So what is a tensor? A tensor is simply a typed multi-dimensional array. It can be 0 to n dimensional. There we have different types of tensors. First one is 0-dimensional, which we call the scalar. As you can see on the screen, it has only the magnitude. The second one is the 1-dimensional, which we usually call the vector. It has the magnitude and the direction, as you can see on the screen. The next one is the 2-dimensional tensor, which we usually call a matrix. This can be represented as a table of numbers. Another one is 3-dimensional, which is also a matrix, but it can be represented as a cube. And another type of a tensor might be the n-dimensional, represented as a matrix. Great. At this stage, you should be familiar with TensorFlow, what it is, why we should use it, along with the most basic concepts of tensors. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the content of this video, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any fantastic video in the future. Thanks for watching.